Three math techniques, one from the 80s, one from the 90s, one from decades ago. Google combined all three into something called TurboQuant, and it just made every AI model on the planet 40% cheaper to run. Here is the problem. Every time you send a long document, a movie, or a code base to an AI, it stores everything in short-term memory called the KV cache. That memory is expensive. With a global chip shortage driving GPU prices through the roof, running AI systems costs more every month. Companies are spending millions just to keep their models online. Regular people can barely afford hardware that runs local AI. Something had to give. So Google asked a simple question: what if we could shrink that memory without losing quality? Their answer combines three old ideas. First, quantization. You take the long numbers the AI stores and chop off the extra digits to save space. The problem is, if you just chop blindly, you destroy the information. So step 2, before chopping, you rotate the data using a random transformation. This spreads the information evenly, so no single direction gets wiped out. And step 3, they apply something called the Johnson-Linden-Strauss transform, a technique from 1984, to compress the data further while mathematically guaranteeing the relationships between data points stay intact. Now here is where it gets real. Google's own claims were impressive. 4 to 6 times less memory, 8 times faster attention computation. But claims are just claims. What matters is whether independent scientists can reproduce it. And they did. Multiple teams verified the results within days. Real-world tests showed 30 to 40% less memory and 40% faster processing. Not quite the 6 times headline number, but still a massive improvement. And here's the part that breaks your brain. Usually when you save memory, something else gets slower. With TurboQuant, it got faster and cheaper at the same time. So what does this actually mean for you? If you run AI locally, your laptop just got meaningfully more capable. If you use cloud AI services, prices should start dropping. If you are a developer working with long documents or massive code bases, your context windows just got 40% cheaper. And the best part, this works on every existing model. No retraining needed. No new hardware, just a software update. Now, to be fair, there is some controversy. Other researchers have pointed out that TurboQuant overlaps with previous techniques that were not fully credited, and the 6 times memory reduction that made headlines only applies in ideal conditions. Real-world gains are closer to 30 to 40%. Still incredible, but the media did overhype it. We are giving you the verified numbers, not the clickbait ones. This is what real progress looks like. Not a flashy new model, not another billion-dollar funding round. 3 decades-old math techniques, combined by researchers who understood that sometimes the best innovation is not inventing something new. It is seeing old ideas in a new light. The AI cost curve just bent downward, and that benefits everyone.